Sir, you had made an appeal to all the activists and like-minded people to come together and to explore possibility of forming a third front. Uh,
किती आलं
No,
त्याच्यात
see, it was not a call to explore a third front. The call is for all activists to work together. Because I find that activists, whenever there's an issue, some of them go and work here, some of them go and work there. Instead of working in isolation, my call is for all activists to work together for a common cause, the good of Goa.
सो आता त्याचे फुडल्या मागीर कितें जालें दॅट
See,
अप्रोच
after that we held one convention or meeting at Margao, which was attended by 97 activists because I took down the names and addresses of all of them. And it was just on a call. I had not made any personal calls because I also wanted to see how our activists react. Now we will be in the process of calling and meeting people in different smaller areas and conveying certain things to them in the interest of Goa.
You are ready to take that lead, or you will be taking that lead?
No, we will contact and see how many of us are willing to jointly take a lead, not alone.
And another issue is
So, any data you have regarding the activists, who are the genuine activists?
See, unfortunately, it is difficult to distinguish between the genuine and the fraudulent. I am aware that these NGOs has become now a forum in a big way for extortion also. Because people pose around as activists and then go on extorting. Now, it is difficult for us to exactly find out what is happening. But activists are those who oppose government policies. I am looking at that. Not those who go and lodge complaints of some hill cutting, of something going wrong, of CRZ violation, then take money and slip on it. Not those activists. I am talking of those who take up public issues of people at large. Like now, right now, there is the issue of IIT at Kodar. Now the people there, rightly or wrongly, feel that no IIT should come at Kodar. Now personally, I would not oppose an IIT. But if the people in a particular area feel that it should not come there, particularly area where the people are poor and they are the only depend on their land, I would feel that the government should not disturb these people. Now particularly on IIT, I wonder why the government is not allotting them land that was acquired for nylon 66 at Kiri. I believe that there is almost twice as much land acquired at Kiri, which is lying vacant. The government could give that land to IIT. Or there is huge land acquired for Defense Expo at Betul. That land could be given to IIT. Why going for fresh acquisition against protest from the people? So I think on an issue like Kodar, we have all to come together and support these people. If they don't want IIT there, let it be, let them not have it. When there are other places, give it to them. I would like the government to tell us why they don't want an IIT at Keri or at Betul.
one more thing is that असेंब्ली इलेक्शनान
कितें?
आनी एक वरस म्हणत जाल्यार असेंब्ली इलेक्शनां वयतले ZP इलेक्शन्स मध्ये म्युनिसिपालिटी आसा हाऊ डू यू सी द रिसेंट करंट सिनारियो वेन यू टॉक अबाउट द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज
No, I have not exactly made an assessment, but all I can
पूण
say
जनरल
is
पळयत
that
जाल्यार गो सगळें कितें चल्लां
general
तें.
soil that चल्लं जाल्यार corruption has increased substantially. At every level there is corruption. To clear any file there is corruption. That much anyone will tell you. Now if people want more corruption, they'll re-vote the same government. Otherwise they'll have to work to defeat them.
सर एक सीएमान पळय स्टेटमेंट केल्लो की थोडे जे NGOs आसा ते म्हणजे प्रोजेक्टूच हाडूंक दिना बरे जे प्रोजेक्ट आसा नॅशनल प्रोजेक्ट आसा तांकां अपोज करता म्हणजे तेजेर कितें म्हणपाचें
You see, this government, according to me, does not act in public interest. They work piecemeal. Now you take this IIT. They have suggested scores of places. Go on Melauli, Kanakona, Sangye, and now to Kodar. Which means the government doesn't know what it wants. When people protest, they withdraw the projects. What is national interest now? I do not know. Let him cite projects which are of national interest and which are objected to. Why don't they put the IIT at Zuari Agrochemicals where they acquired and gave them lakhs of square meters of land. Let them put it there at Zuari.
One side you talk about the government. The other side, how do you see Congress?
Huh?
Why? No,
See, I have nothing to do with the Congress. I'm not a congressman. Let the Congress improve itself because it is one party in Goa which has had MLAs from every constituency in the past. So if they want, they can organize, go back to villages and restore themselves.
But their houses in order, you feel at the
They are definitely not in order. Everybody knows that.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.